In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily clear the print queue or print spooler in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. So firstly, you need to proceed at the button search bar and type for settings. Once you've typed it, please wait until a best match would appear, and once it's here, click on open to continue. Now you can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. So wait until everything are set here before you proceed. So here, please navigate to the left pane of that. You can see there a list of the option. Please locate with the option called the Bluetooth and devices. And under the Bluetooth and devices settings, you need to proceed with devices. Okay, and from here, you need to scroll down on the list of the option and locate with more devices and printer settings. So a new window would appear, which is your devices in printers window, where here you need to select the driver or the printer driver that you would like to clear the print queue or print spooler with. So all you need to do is you need to make a right click and go with see what's printing. And in that way, you would be able to see all of the history or the history that you have the print using this printer driver. So in order to delete it, all you need to do is you need to make a right click and go with cancel document. In that way, you would be able to clear the print queue or print spooler in Windows 11 PC or laptop. In my case, I don't have any because I have already deleted it. But if in your case, if there are a lot here, plus just make a right click and you can see there an option which where you can cancel all document. In that way, you would be able to clear the print queue as well as the print spooler in Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay? So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day everyone.